Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Together. I'm your host Ash, and with me, as always, is my amazing partner, co host, is Nikki.
Hmm. Hi everyone. Hello Ash. How are you today?
I am great, Nikki. Feeling super excited because today's topic is really useful for beginners.
Oh yes. Today we will learn how to talk about yourself in English.
Exactly. This is one of the most important topics for everyone learning English.
Why self introduction is important. When you meet someone new, the first thing they ask is tell me about yourself.
Yes, and many people get nervous when they hear that question.
Totally. But today, well, make it simple and fun for you.
Hmm. Well, show you easy sentence you can use to introduce yourself in daily life, at school, at work, or even online.
So, grab your notebook, friends, and let's get started.
When you talk about yourself, you can follow this simple order. First one, name. Second one, age. Third one, where you are from. Fourth one, what you do. Fifth one, your hobbies or interests. Sixth one, a closing sentence.
Let's make an example.
Sure, Nikki. Listen carefully to me. Hello, my name is Ash. I am from California. I am a content creator. I love reading books and making podcasts. Nice to meet you.
That was perfect, short, clear, and friendly.
Now your turn, Nikki.
Okay. Hi, I am Nikki. I am from USA. I recently graduated in accounting and finance. I love listening to music and learn new languages.
That's great. See, it's simple.
Exactly. Just keep your sentences short and natural.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together. Repeat after us.
My name is,
I am from,
I am a student,
I work in an office,
I love listening to music.
I enjoy spending time with my friends.
Hmm, well done. You are already improving.
Yes, and don't worry if you make mistakes, just keep practicing every day.
Let's see how we can change our introduction depending on the situation.
Good idea, Nikki. For example, if you are in a class, you can say, hello everyone, My name is Ash. I am from California. I am excited to learn English with you.
And if you are in a job interview, you can say, "Good morning, my name is Nikki. I have completed my degree in accounting and finance. I am a quick learner and enjoy working with numbers."
Hmm, that sounds very professional.
Thank you.
And if you are meeting someone casually, you can say, "Hey, I am Ash. Nice to meet you. What is your name?"
Perfect. That's how you start natural conversation.
Hmm, Nikki, do you know what makes an introduction really special?
Maybe your smile.
Yes, smile and confidence, but also add a little personal touch.
Like what?
You can add one interesting fact about yourself, like I love cooking Italian food, or I have a pet dog named Bruno.
Oh, that's cute. I could say I love painting on weekends.
Exactly. It helps people remember you.
So, everyone, when you talk about yourself, think, what makes me unique?
Yes, that's your magic point.
Let's also talk about some common mistakes people make while introducing themselves.
Good point. Mistake number one, speaking too fast.
Yes, speak slowly and clearly.
Mistake number two, forgetting to smile.
That's true. A smile makes your word sound friendly.
And last one, number three, saying too much.
Yes, keep it short. Just 4 to 5 sentences are enough.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Let's make your introduction together.
Start like this. My name is Nikki. I am from USA. I am a student or I am in work in office. I like painting. Nice to meet you.
Hmm, perfect, Nikki. Practice saying it out loud every day.
Yes, and you can even record yourself speaking to check your pronunciation.
Hmm, good tip.
All right, friends, that's it for today's episode. How to talk about yourself in English.
We hope you enjoy learning with us.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn English together.
And tell us in comments how could you introduce yourself. See you tomorrow.
Keep learning and keep smiling.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.